Hey everyone, so the Christmas baking season is officially on. So today I'm going to show you 4 super easy and delicious Christmas cake mix cookies. And these recipes are quick, festive, and perfect for parties, cookie exchanges, or just a cozy night in. So ready, set, let's get to baking. You will need 1 white cake mix, 1/3 cup of melted butter and 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then press some M&Ms right on top of each cookie and bake in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. You will need 1 yellow cake mix, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of eggnog, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then cover and refrigerate for 10 minutes. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Now for the eggnog icing, you'll need 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of eggnog. And I'm just mixing it in a little bit at a time. You will need 1 spiced cake mix and 1/4 cup of additional all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and ginger, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, and then 1/4 cup of molasses. And then you will want to roll your cookie dough in powdered sugar and bake for 10 to 12 minutes in a 350-degree oven. You will need 1 box of red velvet cake mix, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, and then 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Just look at these. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so fun, so delicious, and super easy to make. Oh. All right guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all of my upcoming recipes. God bless, and I will see you next time.